Okay, welcome back to my kitchen. You see I've still got the same mess sitting around here, right? Because we're going to get our boozy on. Here we go. I'm going to make a little bit of noise here, but here we go. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take a fork and work this butter in a little bit. Chop it up some so that I don't make so much mess with my powdered sugar. Y'all know how that stuff flies everywhere. I might try to lay me a towel over top of this so I don't make so much of a mess. We'll see. We'll see. Let me get all that butter in there. That is necessary. All right. Yes, I spilled. You know what? Paid good money for this wonderful vanilla that we got from Mexico. Cozumel, Mexico. Every time I pour that, I spill it. So I'm going to put it in one of my old bottles so that don't keep happening. That's what I'm going to do. All right. Y'all see I'm creaming this together. That's what I'm doing. Now, I'm going to pause you just a minute so I can go ahead and finish creaming this. I'll be right back with you. All right. I've got that mixed up together there. Creamed. It didn't cream as good as I thought it was going to, but there it is. All right. Now, ooh, yeah. Here we go. Y'all should, ooh, can you smell that bourbon? My goodness. See that? Well, into the pool. A pool of nice, buttery, sugary goodness. That's what that is. I'm just going to set that, woo, doggy. I'm just going to put that right there. Now I'm going to pour my vanilla in here that I keep spilling everywhere. Get that over here out of my way. Now, I'm going to go ahead and mix this a little bit. Y'all might notice I've still got some of this booze sitting over here that I might just put in there. I don't know. Oh, yeah, look at that. I don't know if y'all have ever tried bourbon balls before, but you really need to give them a try. If you like bourbon, you're going to love these. Alright. I think that looks good just like that. Yeah, get as much of that off of there as we can. Y'all already know I got a sink of water back here behind you, right? Oh yeah, you know that. Wash them dishes. Don't leave my kitchen no mess. Alright. Get this over here in that water. Ooh, y'all know that thing's going to need some soaking for a while. Go ahead and stir that around. Oh, so tempted to take a taste of this. But I cannot eat those nuts. Oh, no. That would hurt me bad. Oh, my goodness. Would you just look at all that? Woo! Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in a different bowl and I'm going to put this in the freezer for about 30 minutes so I can handle it. Okay? So that I'll be able to handle it, get it dipped in that chocolate. See that? I'm sorry about my lighting, y'all. I'm really going to have to do something about that, huh? But there you go. I don't think I'm going to put any more bourbon in there. I might just put a little. I just don't know. I think I'm going to put just the littlest bit in there. I could even put some in my chocolate here if I want to. Because I just don't want this to get too wet to where I can't handle it at all. There we go. Wow. Woo! Tell you what, you bite into these, you better not drive home. Alright. Well, let me get this put in the freezer. And I'll get back with y'all. See you soon. Okay, I went ahead and took this out of the freezer. I'm not really sure how long it's been in there, but I know, should have timed it right. Let's see. Let's see if I can get a few little balls going here. Ooh, I might have to stick it back in the freezer. That one's a little bit too big. I'm just using this is a scoop, a coffee scoop that came with an appliance that we got a while back, and that's what I'm using to scoop these with. Woo, wow. Smell that bourbon, baby. Woo. I'm telling you. Could be quite interesting around here on Christmas Day. It's not that serious, y'all. Y'all know I'm cutting up with you. But I think they're gonna taste really, really good. Let me just do this. I'm making a mess. My granddaughter would say, "Mess, Nana, a mess." She would indeed. After I get these all scooped on here, I'm going to stick this back in the freezer. Probably leave it in there a good 30 minutes. And then, if I need to, in between time, I will stick it back in the freezer. Because these are going to be dipped in the semi-sweet chocolate. Chocolate and bourbon. Yeah, buddy. You already know that's a good deal. And do you have to like bourbon to like these bourbon balls? You know, I don't think so. Because before I started having problems with this medical condition, to where I couldn't eat the nuts anymore, I would eat these, but you know, not very many, of course, but I never did drink bourbon, and I liked them, so no, I don't think so. Maybe it's just a Kentucky thing, who knows. Yeah. Almost finished here. Then I'm going to stick this tray up in the freezer. Just remember one thing. Stick a metal tray in the freezer. Use a towel to get it out, or it's going to stick to your fingers. You already know it will. Alright. Yeah, I didn't put this in a different bowl. I just went ahead and put this one up there. Whew. Goodness knows I got enough of a mess going on as it is. And I did not want an extra bowl to have to wash. Okay. I washed some of it. A lot of it I stuck in my dishwasher over there, but still, y'all know what I'm saying. Alright. Let me get this off my hands. Woo, doggy, doggy. Alright. Y'all see that big mess over there of that vanilla I spilled? While I was waiting for this stuff to set up a little bit, I did go ahead and switch that over, and I poured that all into this bottle right here. That's what I did. Alright. There we go. There's the filling. And in the freezer, they are going to go. Now, 30 minutes, y'all. Give me 30 minutes. I'll be back. Alright. Let's get going. Let's get these in this chocolate. See if I can't do this right quick before they melt all over the place. Just a little dip. Little swirl about it. And right there. Then we're going to put our little pecan half right there. I think what I'm going to do is work as fast as I can. That's what I'm gonna do. Just work as fast as I can to get these done. Woo! Without a whole ton of chocolate on them. That is. I'm getting chocolate everywhere, y'all. See if this works better using it. See if I can do it better like that. It's cooling my chocolate down really, really fast, so I'm going to have to heat it up several times throughout this process. I am pretty sure. Look at that. I've only done 3, and I'm going to have to heat my chocolate again. I'll be right back, y'all. All right. Here we go again. Wow. Come on out of there. These things are turning out huge. You gotta have some filling in them, huh? Don't want it just to be all chocolate. Oh, they smell so good. My, my. They do smell good, you all. Try to scoop that so that I can get a little bit of that extra chocolate off the bottom. I'm gonna have to go to the microwave once again and melt my chocolate some more. That I am. It's getting really thick down in there. And on here as well. See how thick that is? Let's just take some of that off of there. My, my. There we go. Okay. So, I got them all put on there. They're not the prettiest in the world, I assure you. And you know what? We had a meltdown. That's what happens when... I'm sorry. But that's what happens when you have your chocolate too hot and you stick your filling in it. It just starts to melt. What can I say? I'm pretty sure it's salvageable. And it doesn't change the taste, I don't think. But there we go. This is what they should look like, okay? They should look just like that. How about that? Here, let me... See there? Pretty. Pretty. Okay. All right. Enough of that. Now, I'm going to put them in a container. Stick them back in the fridge. That way they'll be ready for Christmas Day. I'm sure Tom's going to try one of them when he gets home. But I think I'm going to put my other candy making off until tomorrow. My Divinity. We'll see. You all take care. Again, thank you so much. I really appreciate all of you. And until next time, see ya. Okay, here's the other 2 candies from earlier. There and there. Tom is going to go ahead and give them a try. So, look at him. He is ready. Let's get him over here. I'm sorry, I've got chili going over here, so I need to get him over here so that I can get some decent lighting on him.
I'm going to try this one first.
Alright. They're a little bit big, but
It's alright.
that is the carrot cake Oreo truffle. Yeah, good stuff. Let's let them see what the inside of it looks like, babe. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Good stuff, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome.
I'll come back to this in a minute.
Yeah. And now, for the bourbon balls. Yeah, some of them turned out as whoppers. Those were so difficult with me today.
I love these.
Oh, yeah. I know. Big bite. It's got a good kick to it. A little bourbon kick to it, does it? Awesome. Y'all want to take a look at the inside of it once it got the chocolate around it? Yep. See all those boozy pecans in there? Yeah, buddy. Yep. Tom said, yeah, I taste them too. Do we need designated drivers for Christmas? Okay, y'all. Well, that's it. That's my 3 candies that I'm doing. I think I'll probably end up doing a peanut butter roll too. Everybody seems to like that pretty good. Not today. This has took me most of the day to do all this stuff. So, again, there's that divinity. I sure do wish I'd have got a video of him tasting that for the first time. Uh-oh, look. He's doing his... Oh, I think you're good for 1 or 2 more. Alright, y'all. Take care. Again, if you haven't subscribed, I wish you would. And I thank everybody that has subscribed and everybody that's viewed my vlogs. And Tom's going to edit this for me. One of these days I'll figure it out. He'll show me that. Y'all know I'm still working on all this stuff, though. But I can't help it. That's just me. And we're going to have a little bell pop up that if you subscribe and click that bell, you get notifications each time a new vlog is put on. And if you like this kind of content, give us a like. Let me know if you make them. Let me know what you think about them. Let me know how they turned out for you. But until the next time, and if I don't talk to y'all anymore between now and then, but I believe I will, have a Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
See ya.
Bye, y'all.
Licking them fingers.
Wow, baby.
Mmm.